on? Oh, all right. Hi. You ready for school, Toots?
No.
You
We'll be ready for recess again.
Oh, recess, huh? Baby bites? Some baby bites? Well, that is some funny tasting stuff. I never...
Yeah, it looks like he's having some fun.
I said funny tasting. You've never eaten with this spoon, no? No. You want to try more? Maybe we have to try cereal another night.
No.
Try another bite? Oh, he opens his mouth, but look at that face. He swallowed that. Oh, no, there it goes. There it goes. It's coming out, isn't it?
Why don't you put something else in there?
Like what?
I don't know. Sugar maybe?
No, honey, we're not supposed to put in sugar. Daddy doesn't know. Daddy doesn't know. No, he doesn't. Nom, 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 nom. Baby bites. Baby bites. Little baby bites. What is that? Nom, nom. Nom, noms. Oh, no. Do you want more? Oh no, he doesn't look like he's too excited about cereal.
A little more. Try to get used to it.
How about some with mushy milk? Mushy milk? Can you try some more? That's just used to cereal. My bib tastes good though, Dad. Baby bites. Baby bites. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you say Natalie? Yeah, say Natalie. Can you say it? How do you say Natalie?
Shit.
Oh. No, that's a bad word. What's Grandma gonna say when she hears that?
Oh, shit.
No.
We're gonna wash your mouth with soap. Shit.
No.
Mom,
Say
put
Natalie.
soap in the water.
Why?
Mom.
You told him to say it.
I did not.
Hey, say Natalie.